आप लोग यहाँ पधारे और आप लोगों ने आकर के अमूल्य समय दिया। हम लोगों का सौभाग्य, हमारी संस्कृत संस्था का सौभाग्य कि देश विदेशों के लोगों को हम सम्मानित करने जा रहे हैं। मैं प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आपका यश, वैभव, सुख, समृद्धि, कीर्ति बढ़ती चली जाए। और अंत में मैं ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट, यहाँ के कर्मचारी, यहाँ की सरकार और यहाँ के नागरिकों के लिए मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि इनके सहयोग के बिना ये फंक्शन बड़ा मुश्किल था। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
So that is where it's important that we don't have only responsibility to ourselves, to our families, our neighbors. We have a responsibility globally to meet those challenges together. And I thank Mr. Mishra ji and his team for have that vision to give the services to all. And also hope and expect that you also give that support and the commitment so that we can fight against those ills in the society to have a wonderful and peaceful world. Once again, thank you very much, Mr. Ji, for allowing me to come.
Because education is pointless. It's useless if with it you do not have Sanskriti. Its interpretation may be different in many parts of the world. But I know that the one thing I have learned is I am responsible for the actions I take. And therefore, every single one of you has a responsibility for the actions you take. And Ganesha ji, you said very clearly that, it's about karma and it's about kismet and it's about all of those other things that we have no control over. The one thing we do have control over is every single day when we see somebody, we can smile. Every single day when we see somebody, we can be nice in the things we say. And even when somebody has been really mean and horrible to us, we don't have to be mean and horrible back. We need to try and bring them into our space and say, the solutions are better when we come together. Thank you very much.
विश्व के सबसे बड़े प्रेस्टिजियस वेन्यू में बैठे हुए हैं और यहाँ अगर भारत माता की जय जयकार जोरदार तरीके से नहीं लगाएंगे तो मजा नहीं आएगा। तो फिर एक बार जोरदार तरीके से लगाएंगे, भारत माता की जय।
हरि बोल, हरि बोल।
Today, coming to this function, basically, I've been proud of three things. One is that I'm an Indian. Two is the organization which has given this award, the amount of effort they've taken. The Brahmakumari, my mother was a Brahmakumari herself. And the fact that I'm proud of my sister, that she saved so many lives giving up her own.
I'm an international lawyer and I'm a writer, and I do work for non-profit Visvadhyatmik Sansthan in India, in UK and in America, in fact internationally.
I'm here in London in the Member of Parliament's building, and today there is a program called Bharat Gaurav Award organized by Samskriti Yuva Samsthan from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and this organization also does the marathon in Jodhpur, and it's coming up on February 5th, 2017, and recognizing people from all walks of life, from different parts of the world, hailing the heritage of India. So it's a Bharat Gaurav Award, meaning it's Gaurav means a respected Bharat, respected Indian. That's what it is, and it is very nice to be receive the award. It's also honor and privilege to be recognized by peers in London, especially in the Member of Parliament building. It's fantastic.
भारत गौरव अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है। ये भारत का गौरव सारे विश्व में फैलेगा, भारत का नाम ऊंचा होगा।
संस्कृति भारत की हो चाहे किसी भी देश की हो, हमारी संस्कृति हमें जीवन का आचार और व्यवहार सिखाती है।
It is to bringing two communities, two nations together. Holding these events and successful events are always useful when two communities, two nations meet together, take the social values forward. I congratulate the organizers, particularly Mr. Mishra and his team, for organizing this event in the House of Commons with a great success.
I found this ceremony very interesting. I met so many people who have come back from such good backgrounds, exemplary backgrounds, either in science, business, or even religion. And I can see everybody is so keen to put something back into society based on some of the original, traditional spiritual values that emanate from India. And so that is what I'm taking away. It's wonderful to see such an experienced group of people, all with a very pure thought to improve the condition of humanity and the world wide. And so this is basically amazing. I look forward to interacting more with the people who've come here and learn from them and share them with my experience.
I'm so glad that I have met such a well-deserved people, and that's inspired me to take their messages and their view to all over the community.